Hello guys and welcome to ZappySys 101. In this video you will learn how to generate a complex XML using SSIS. You will find this video helpful if you want to export data from a database or other source to an XML file, another database, or submit that XML to a SOAP web service or XML-based API. ZappySys PowerPack provides these components to deal with various XML generation scenarios: Export XML Task, XML File Destination, and XML Generator Transform. In case you are watching this video but want to read XML files, use XML Source component or XML Parser Transform to parse XML from upstream column. Use Export XML Task when you want to export XML from a database with great performance. Export XML Task supports SQL Server or any other database that you can connect to using ODBC or OLEDB drivers. You can export XML to a file, Azure Blob Storage, Amazon S3 Storage, SFTP, or FTPS. With Export XML Task, you can export a table as is with minimal configuration or export to a custom layout XML. XML File Destination is very similar to Export XML Task, except that it can accept anything from upstream in a data flow and then save an XML to a file. XML File Destination, as well as Export XML Task and XML Generator Transform, which I will speak about in a moment, all support multiple data inputs. It means that you can have, for example, customers as one input, orders as another, and then join these two on a key to write customers with all their corresponding orders as child elements. Finally, use XML Generator Transform when you have data coming from upstream in a data flow and yet you still need to pass the generated XML downstream. For example, you want to generate an XML that you need to save to a database or submit it to an XML-based API. Let's get started and see how to generate an XML file.